You can lock apps by using the secure folder. In order to set it up, we need to go to settings, scroll down to security and privacy, and then over here, go to more security settings. Then we have secure folder over here, so let's select it, press continue twice, and we need to wait for the secure folder to be created. After that, we can select the password that we wish to use for the secure folder. So we can use pin, password, or pattern. I'm gonna choose a simple pin code. Let's press continue. If it's easy to guess the password that you provided, then you will see this information and you can change it, or you can use it anyway. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Then you can also use your Samsung account to be able to lock reset if you forget the password. And then we can go and press next, and in addition to that, you can use biometrics. So if you have fingerprint or the face recognition enabled, then you can also use it for the secure folder. Let's go next. And then here we have all apps that are locked behind the secure folder. Now, as a tip, we can also press these three dots and we're gonna go to settings. And I can recommend you changing the auto lock secure folder to each time when I leave app. Because if you now exit the secure folder and if you try to reopen it, then you will always have to enter the password. If you open it for the first time, you need to enter the password, but after that you should be able to use the biometrics. So every app that is here in the secure folder is separated from the same app that we have outside the secure folder, meaning that we still have the original app outside of the secure folder. This is just a different app, like a duplicated app. And we have different data in these apps. So you can press this plus button in order to add apps that should be included. So for example, if you want to lock WhatsApp or something, then of course you can select it here. You can add multiple apps and press add. And now you can open WhatsApp by going to the secure folder, or you can press and hold the finger on the app in order to add it to the home screen. So now we can open WhatsApp over here. And of course you need to, as you can see, provide the password or use biometrics. So this is how we can lock apps by using password and also biometrics. You can find additional options, of course, under these three dots, like the customization, lock and exit, encryption, and of course settings. So check out this playlist to find more guides. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe, and see ya.